Hi everyone, thank you for coming to my art space. So this is actually my dining table. A few of you have commented on my table, so I'm just going to go really slowly. This is my outlook out the window, and I use this space mainly to do a lot of my videoing because my desk is actually really small and the space is small, and so I normally use this end of the dining table to put flowers, and sometimes I do a lot of my junk journaling here because there's a bit more room than my little pokey desk. So today I just want to talk about ephemera versus embellishments. If you're like me, when I first started junk journaling, I have no idea of some of these terminologies, and that's why actually in my playlist I'm attempting to just go through a few of those terms so that as a beginner you may be able to be a little bit clear on some of these terms. So ephemera, what does that mean? They're basically, the dictionary definition is things that exist or use to be enjoyed for a short period of time, and they could include tickets, papers, things that you've collected, envelopes, brochures, pamphlets, trading cards. These are, and in terms of these are things that you would put in your journal. And so in terms of junk journaling, what you've added in your journal, it is defined as ephemera. Tags, journal cards, pockets, stickers, belly band, clips. And some stickers are also considered ephemera. And they can be handmade or printed. You can purchase them from Etsy shops or Spotlight. You can recycle them, and whatever is included in your journal is actually considered ephemera. But what about embellishments? Embellishment is a detail or feature that is added to something to make it more attractive, and usually it becomes a focal point. So just let me show you. So this could include buttons, like that one, and it could be a altered paper clip like this one. So this is a paper clip, and I've altered it by putting extra bits and pieces on it. It could be jewelry or tassels, or beads or charms and buttons. So these are called embellishments. They add an extra interest or feature to your journal, and I would say lace is also one of them. It just adds an extra interest to it. So hopefully this clarifies a little bit about what the difference between the two is, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.